Hello dear student. Chapter number 3, a trip to Bhopal. Topic name is addition or subtraction. Okay. Now your question is for add or subtract and write the number. Okay. Now first one example, 10 less than 358. The first of all, the meaning of what? Less than. In less than you have to use the subtraction sign. Okay. Similarly from what? The more than. The meaning of more than, it means that we have to use the addition sign. Okay. One by one example solve it. Okay. Now first one example, 10 less than 358. Okay. It means that less than we have to use the subtraction sign. Understood? 10 less than 358. Here will be right here 358. Subtract from what? 10. Okay. Simple. Subtract it. Okay. Subtraction. 8 minus 0 is our 8. Here will be 5 minus 1 is our 4. And this is also what? 3. So your answer is what? 348. Once again I repeat, 10 less than 358. The meaning of less than, it means that we have to use the subtraction sign, and the more than, it means that we have to use the addition sign. Okay, 10 less than 358. So we have to write down the 358. Less than, it means that we have to use the subtraction sign. We have to subtract it, 10. Then we have to solve it. 8 minus 0 is our 8. 5 minus 1 is our 4. And 3, this is also 3. So your answer is for 348. Okay. One by one example solve it. Next, second one example. 1 more than 999. Meaning of more than, it means that we have to use the addition sign, we have to add it and then we have to solve it. Okay, 999, we have to add with 1. Okay, simple addition, then we have to solve it. Okay, 9 plus 1 is our 10, this is also what? 0. 1 is also carry. 9 plus 1 is our 10. This is our 1 is also what? Carry. 9 plus 1 is our what? 10. The your answer is what? 1000. Okay. So simple example, more than you have to addition with. Okay. Start from the similar example. Start from the third one example. 100 more than 1908. Okay. Simple addition. Because why addition? Because this word is on use here more than. Okay, it means that we have to simple addition. Solve it. 1908. We have to add with 100. Okay, simple addition. Now add with 8 plus 0 is our 8. Okay, 0 plus 0 is our 0. 9 plus 1 is our 10. 10, this is our 0. 1 is also carry. 1 plus 1 is our 2. So your answer is what? 2008. Once again I repeat it. 1908. You have to add with 100. 8 plus 0 is our 8. 0 plus 0 is our 0. 9 plus 1 is our 10. This is our 0. 1 is also carry. Okay. 1 plus 1 is our 2. So your answer is what? 2008. Okay. Start from the fourth one example. This example is also similar from what? Previous example. Okay. 1 less than 100. Okay. Now we have to solve it. The meaning of less than, we have to use the subtraction sign. Okay. It means that we have to write it 100 minus 1. Okay, so simple question, then we have to solve it. 100 minus 1. Okay, this is our what? 10. 10 minus 1 is our what? 9. Okay, this is our also what? 9, and this is also what? This is our 9. So your answer is what? 99. It means that the word is used in less than, we have to use the subtraction sign, and the word is used in more than, we have to use the addition sign. Okay. Next example. Example number 5. 500 more than 4550. It means that more than, we have to use the addition sign. Solve it. Okay. So first of all, we have to write it 4550 add with 500. Okay. So simple addition, we have to add with. Okay. 0 plus 0 is our 0. 5 plus 0 is our 5. 5 plus 5 is our 10. Okay, this is our one also carry. 4 plus 1 is our 5. Okay, so your answer is what? 5050. Okay, similarly from what? Next example. Example number 6. 200 less than 8800. The meaning of less than, we have to use the subtraction sign. Okay, so first of all write it 8800 subtraction from what? 200. We have to write the 200. Okay, we have to simple subtraction. Subtract it. Okay, 0 minus 0 is our 0. 0 minus 0 is our 0. Okay, 8 minus 2 is our 6. This is our what? 8. So your answer is what? 8600. Okay. Now then start from the example number 7. Example number 7. Exactly between 100 and 200. Exactly, it means that we have to obtain the half part. Okay, exactly between 100 and 200. Then example you have to solve it. First of all, we have to add it 100 and 200. Okay, this is our 100 and 200. So first of all, you have to add it. Your addition is what? 0 plus 0 is our 0. 0 plus 0 is our 0. And 2 plus 1 is our 300. Your answer is what? 300. Okay. But your question is what? Exactly between 100 and 200. It means that exactly half. It means we have to use the division. Okay. This is our what? 300 divided by what? 2. Okay. Divided by it. 2 1 ja 2. This is our what? 2. 3 minus 2 is our 1. Okay. Here will be 0 will be come here. 2 5 ja 10. Okay. 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0. Okay. This is also subtraction. And next is what? This is our will be 0 will be come here. This is also 0. So your answer is what? 150. Exactly between 100 and 200. Your answer is what? 150. Okay. Next is your last example. Okay. This example is also similar from the previous example. Exactly between the 300 and 400. Okay. First of all, you have to add it 300 and 400. Exactly between 300 and 400. Okay. First of all, you have to add it 300 and 400. Okay. Just you have to add it. Okay. First of all, the addition. 0 plus 0 is a 0. 0 plus 0 is a 0. And 4 plus 3 is a 7. So your answer is what? 700. Okay. But your question is what? Exactly between the 300 and 400. It means that exactly between, exactly half part. It means we have to use the divided by 2. Okay, solve it. This is our what? 700. Okay, simple division. 2 3 6. Okay, subtract it. 7 minus 6 is our 1. Okay, this is our 0 will become here. 2 5 10. This is our 0 minus 0 is our 0. This is our 0 minus 0 is our 0. And the 0 is also remaining. You have to write down the 350. So your answer is what? Exactly between the 300 and 400. Your answer is what? 350. This is all our example of the addition and subtraction. I hope everyone student get understand how can we solve the given example addition and subtraction. Okay, and the next topic we have to discuss in next obvious video. Have a nice day.